Welcome to Outgrow. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create your very first assessment from start to finish. By logging into your Outgrow dashboard, choose Assessment. Assessments let you ask questions, evaluate users, and deliver personalized results. Next, choose a layout. You can start with a pre-made template or pick a clean layout to build from scratch. The first step is creating a welcome page. This is the first thing your audience sees before they begin. Upload your company logo, pick brand colors, and customize the heading, subheading, and call to action button. Make sure it clearly tells users what the assessment is about and encourages them to get started. Now let's move on to adding questions. Click Add Question and choose your format: multiple choice, single select, sliders, or input fields, etc. Each answer option can be directly mapped to a specific outcome. This ensures users get personalized results based on their choices. Once your questions are set, go to Outcomes. Here, you'll create the results that users see after completing the assessment. Add personalized descriptions, images, and CTA. After adding outcomes, insert a lead form. Add fields for name and email address so you can capture leads before revealing the results. This form can be connected directly to your CRM or email platforms such as HubSpot, MailChimp, or Zapier, so all leads flow into your system automatically. Always preview your assessment to see how it looks on desktop, tablet, and phone mode. Outgrow ensures the experience works seamlessly across all devices. Finally, click Publish. You can share your assessment via a direct link, embed it on your website, or launch it as a pop-up. And that's it. You've built your first assessment end to end, from questions and outcome mapping to design, lead capture, and publishing. Now it's your turn. Log into Outgrow and launch your first assessment today.